Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best dry bags that you can buy today. A waterproof bag is an essential if you're embarking on any kind of water-based activity and need somewhere to stash your belongings, but can also come in handy for general outdoors adventures in unreliable weather. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing dry bags. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best dry bags, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Sea to Summit Big River Dry Bag. In my mind, the diamond-shaped coastal logo of Sea to Summit is still synonymous with roll-top nylon dry bags. If Sea to Summit is the quintessential manufacturer, the Big River is the classical embodiment of everything a dry bag should be. Reasonably water-resistant, sturdily built, and affordable, this is a dry bag well-suited for any river adventure as well as the inside of your backpack. Some brands have developed a reputation within a niche. Sea to Summit is one such player. In at number 4 is the NRS Ether HydroLock Dry Sack. This is the perfect combination of intensive protection you've been looking for at a reasonable price. It closes twice, first with a zip top like a beefy sandwich baggie, then with a roll top like a traditional dry bag to back it up. Rather than sewn and taped seams, the Ether has fully welded edges sealing ripstop fabric together, and a well-attached clear window lets you easily see what you're grabbing. The flattened, non-cylindrical shape of this bag is different, but makes it even easier to locate items. When we want serious protection from a smaller dry bag, we reach for this. It's a seriously protective dry bag that's affordable for the intense performance it provides. It's one of the most waterproof models we tested, very easy to use, and impressively durable to boot. When we need to know our things are protected in the event of a total boat turtling, there's no small dry bag we trust more than this one. The third product on our list is the Watershed Colorado Duffel Dry Bag. This is the ultimate water adventurer's companion, with top-notch scores across the board and a versatile design that's ideal for serious water lovers. This is a no-brainer for whitewater adventures. Completely watertight and burly enough to withstand the inevitable rocks and sticks of a raucous river ride, this product will keep your gear securely stowed and moisture-free. The duffel shape lends to easy packing and provides plenty of space for extended trips. The Colorado Watershed Duffel is the avid water person's bag of choice. Convenience, comfort, versatility, and durability rarely come in such a neat little package. This product not only boasts all of these qualities, but also delivers on its promise to provide an impenetrable barrier between your precious gear and the water. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. In at number 2 on the list is the NRS Expedition DriDuffel Dry Bag. If you're headed out on big waters for a long adventure, then this has got you covered. The watertight and easy-to-use zipper provides a wide mouth opening to this bag, enabling you to pack your winter sleeping bag, tripod, yoga mat, and ukulele without any issue. With 4 multi-point attachment strips, a detachable shoulder strap, and 2 wide handles, this could be the perfect captain's bag. The large capacity and lack of any compartments make it difficult to stay organized with the dry duffel. Although there are a few carrying options available, we wouldn't enjoy hauling this bag on our back for more than 15 minutes if fully loaded. Its thick Tobatex construction with double sewn and welded seams will keep your things dry through most misadventures. And there are multiple secure points to attach this bag to your craft, or attach things to the exterior to keep it secure. The best dry bag is the YETI Panga Airtight. This is a beast of a bag, That scored in the top ranks for all our testing metrics, standing out for being completely waterproof and made of nearly indestructible material. The watertight zipper is easy to open and close, making it our first choice when carrying camera equipment that we want to access easily but also keep sealed shut from the water. If we had to choose one model for a wide range of activities, this would be it. The YETI Panga is a fantastic dry bag and is perfectly suited for adventure travel to soggy destinations, be they familiar or more remote. We love using it for transporting our camera gear, and its extreme durability gives us confidence in its protecting prowess. From horse packing to airline travel to multi-week adventures on the river, this model is ideal for keeping your gear dry no matter how far the distance you cover. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.